Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you where to find the blur tools, and I'm going to assume you already know what part of your image you're going to want to blur. Now, the where to find the blurring section is go all the way to the top left until you find filter. Click filter. This is where it shows like filter gallery. This is where all the blurring stuff is at pretty much, and everything like stylize, sharpen. Now I'm just gonna be showing one in this video. I'll make like other videos for like the other blurring, but for this one I want to be showing like one of the common blurs that people use a lot, which is Gaussian blur. Now as you know for blurring, it helps you create this like depth of the image and it helps you focus more on a specific part of an image that maybe the person who made an image wants you to focus on. Now with Gaussian blur, it'll pretty much, depending on the part of the image that you want to blur, well, it'll blur that whole part of the image. As you see right here, depending on how high this is, the radius pixels, and the number right here, depending on how high it goes, the more it's going to blur the image. See, 9.6, and it's quite blurry. If I raise it to max all the way, way too blurred. So until you find the right one, like you can do like a very light, or you can go kind of intense. Now, let's see, like right here will be pretty good. And you see, it kind of helps make you add more like depth in the video, helps you add more depth into the image. Now it looks like the mountain and trees are a bit more farther back. You can actually see the depth in the image and helps you focus on where you're gonna focus on, like the grass and the deer. Now, that's where you find the blur tools. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Now that's where you find the blur tools and how to use the Gaussian blur. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.